So hello friends, how are you all? So today we are going to look at how we can calculate different probabilities using R software. So before I move ahead with the tutorial, I would request you all to like, share and comment on my video content. This will help me to make more and more better videos. You can also comment with your suggestions. So I will try to incorporate all the suggestions which you give. So with that, let me just start with the tutorial on how to calculate probability using R. So, so as we all know that probability is nothing but the outcome of favorable events upon total events. So if we can calculate numerator and denominator, we will be able to get our answer. So starting with a very simple probability calculation. So for that I will be taking an example of a dice which is thrown 10 times. So as you all know, when I throw my dice, I have 1, 2, 6 numerals which are the probable outcomes. So in our software, so we have a command where you can randomly generate numbers. So I will be simulating this exercise of throwing a dice for 10 times. So let me just give a character variable where we will be storing our values. Let me call it as dice 10 equal to sample. So sample is a command where you can generate different random values, bracket C, and again I am giving a bracket there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the dice numbers which I am looking at, comma. So how many times I want to throw the dice? So that is size equal to 10. And also remember, since we will be rolling the die for 10 times, which number is larger than actual outcomes. So I will show you how it will show you error. So if I try to execute command, so it will give me this message: cannot take a sample larger than the population when replace equal to false. So remember that you have to give comma and just type replace equal to t. T means true. So now it will be replacing every time and every time a new number is selected. So if you don't give this command, by default it takes it as a false. So now I am pressing enter. So my command is executed. There is no error there. Let me just see what kind of numbers it has generated. So I am writing dice 10 to see the numbers. Uh, so you can see 3241322516 is the are the numbers which are randomly generated. I can once again redo this command. If I say want to roll my dice for 20 times, so I am just putting 20 here and replace equal to t and press enter. Again type dice 10, enter. You can see now 20 random numbers are generated. So let me just play with these numbers first. Now these are the random outcomes of rolling die, which is the dice which is having 6 faces, and on every face a number is given. So 365, these are the random outcomes of 20 times when you throw the die. So now I want to calculate for how many times my the set of the outcomes is showing 2. So I have this command length space bracket dice 10 square bracket dice 10 equal to, so equal to is nothing but the operator, and press enter. So You can see I am seeing 3. Now let me try some other number, say 6, and press enter. So it's showing me 4. Now how to calculate the probability? So probability is nothing but the number of times the favorable outcome is generated upon the total length or total number of outcomes. So here to calculate total number of outcomes, I will type length in bracket dice 10. So you can see the probability is zero point 0.2. Now what if I am trying to calculate the probability when the number is either 4 or 5? I am pressing up arrow which takes me to the command which I used earlier. So this stores a memory as well. Only change which I have to do is just a second. Yeah, dice 10 equal to 6. And I just change it slightly and use the operator. Now this is nothing but an OR operator. So dice 10 equal to 4. Press enter. So 8. So what we did is we we told the program that count the number of values for which the die showed either 6 or 4. So it has given me the number 8. Now next what you can do is you can also tell it die showed 6 and 4 together, which is not possible because with one roll you get only one outcome. So this should show us a 0 value. Let's check. Okay, so this is showing 0. Fantastic. Now if I want to calculate the probability of a die which was thrown for 20 times, and for how many times probably it showed me the number 6 or 4. So my length is already determined by using this command. So I will divide it by total length and press enter. So that gives me zero point 0.4. So this was about simple probability. So friends, that's for now. We have calculated simple probability, and we will be doing more exercise. We will be getting into the conditional probability calculations as well, and there are some other applications which we will be doing when we get a data set in table format, how we can actually manipulate the data and how we can calculate the probabilities based on different columns of our interest that we'll be seeing in our next lectures. So till then, tata, bye bye, and please kindly like, comment, and definitely subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.